as long as I can remember, really, I've always had uh, the, let's say, all pointers pointing at meditate, do it, go ahead, and then fussing myself for not doing it, and I don't know.
We're such
Um,
doers, we're such doers. It's like we can't not do it.
So I've had a lot of turmoil, uh, ups and downs. Nothing really that I feel I need to mention specifically. Just wanted to maybe sit with you.
For sure, of course. So you don't have to answer any of this out loud, but just more, these are questions for you to maybe utilize within yourself while we're sitting together. Is that all right?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, good. Okay. So just go ahead and let your eyes close so you're internally referenced, so to speak. And you are aware, you're present, you are here deeply. Oh, I see. Okay. So notice where it's being held. Yeah. Uh, and I would say notice it, but now open your attention so that it's not lasering in, focusing in, but more diffusing outward. So you're aware of that, but you're opening up your space of attention. Uh, that's it. And any of those areas that you sense in your body that are held or tight or contracted or something like that, wherever they are, I'm just going to do some hands energy work where I'm feeling it. Because it's sometimes better not to pay attention if the attention causes more restriction, or just shift your attention to breathing or something like that, or awareness. That's it. Good. Yeah, I'd say that may be helpful for you. Just not, don't get on it so much. You know what I mean? Yeah. We're such
And
doers, we're such doers. It's like we can't not do it.
it's like for the most part of what, well, as long as I can remember, really, I've always had uh, the, let's say, all pointers pointing at meditate, do it, go ahead, and then fussing myself for not doing it, and I don't know, trying
It's
to improve myself in every
yeah,
possible way.
it's fine. Wanting to improve yourself in every possible way is beautiful. There's nothing wrong with that. But as you develop in that sort of process, you come to this place where you're kind of learning the art of not doing,
Yeah.
where things get done.
2 or 3 times ago, you mentioned something about things being done without having to do them.
Yeah,
That really caught my ear.
exactly. So this is exactly what we're working with you right now internally and how you're paying attention. Seeing even those attitudes, well, I got to work harder, I got to do more. Like this idea of well, now I'll get more. It's more that it's actually a misunderstanding of how it works. Yeah, this is tricky because language is relative, and the way we speak is dualistic and egoic, and to a great degree. So it's tricky to actually verbalize it. It makes sense in the context of the direct experience when we're together. That's why a lot of people in teaching never talk. It's just a kind of transmission thing, which is fine, but it misses a lot, a lot. That's those of us who have a harder job kind of bringing it all together is it's more interesting really and challenging, but it's really what we need so that we can live really dynamic lives and let's just say fight the good fight. Yeah. How do you feel? Is that helpful? I would say keep your eyes open. Let me just do a little energy work with you here. And just relax. Yeah, you can just, oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, I'd say that this is, be really gentle with your attention, ease up on how you're paying attention. For you, less is better. Okay. Yeah, open, just, yeah, ease. I know that's counter instinctual and counter, yeah, yeah, but try it. It's already working. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you
Good
very
to
much.
see you. You're really welcome. You take good care. Yeah, sure. I think also there's a natural protective physiological reaction to opening and energy, stronger energy. Some part goes, no, 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 and wants to hold it back because it's like, wait, 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 that was nice, but wait a minute, not too much. And so there's a kind of, and that you'll notice as you're paying attention here is almost, it can be like a tightening or something like that, and you just be really present with that, and just give yourself an instruction like do less or open up or something like that. It's this is what I was talking about, learning to be vulnerable. It really, it's actually very deep physiological retraining that awareness facilitates the ability for.